Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing access. Make sure your phone is charged and connected. Next, locate the current hotspot password, or SIMPIN. This is required to verify identity. Open Settings and go directly to the Network or Personal Hotspot section, or open your carrier app and sign in with your credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the Security or Hotspot tab to reach the password field. This immediate action gets you to the control you'll change next. Now you change the password itself. Authenticate using the current password, device passcode, or carrier two-factor method. This step confirms it's you. Type a strong new password. Aim for at least 12 characters and a mix of upper/lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so others can't guess it. After entering and confirming the new string, press Save or Apply. Make sure to update any connected devices with the new password so they can reconnect without issues. Finish by reconnecting your phone or hotspot to confirm the new password works. Try loading a web page to verify. Make sure you update the password in your device keychain or password manager so reconnecting is seamless. If a device fails to join, double-check you typed the password exactly. Case matters. If you're locked out because of SIMPIN failures, obtain the PUK from your carrier or use their account recovery flow. That one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.